This is Sean from Be Your Own Nerd. Microsoft is celebrating 10 years of the Windows Insider program. And for those of you that don't know, the Windows Insider program is a special program that you can sign up for if you run Windows 10 or Windows 11 that lets you test future versions of Microsoft Windows. To celebrate this anniversary, Microsoft has released all the wallpapers that have been used in Windows Insider builds of Windows to the public. You can download all of these wallpapers from Microsoft.design/wallpapers. And I'm just going to scroll through them and show them to you. Some of them are actually quite cool. And they're all available here on this one page, and all you need to do is actually click on each wallpaper to download it. But you can see here, some of them are very, very colorful. So if you're looking for free wallpapers, this is the place to go look, see if anything catches your eye. I don't know if any of you are old school Windows users, but if you are, you might recognize this guy here. His name is Clippy. So you can even get a wallpaper with Clippy in it. But as I said before, these wallpapers would only come with Windows Insider builds. So it's kind of cool that Microsoft has released all of these in one place for you to download them all during the 10th anniversary of Windows Insider. Once again, the website is Microsoft.design/wallpapers. And once again, they are totally free to download. Once again, this is Sean from Be Your Own Nerd. You can reach out to me on my website at BeYourOwnNerd.com. I also have a free weekly tech newsletter that I send out every Tuesday. It's totally free. Thank you so much for watching, and have yourself a great tech day.